imagine a young mind being exposed to
My
so
gosh.
much noise that you can't weave through what's right and wrong, that you need to be able to connect right back to dad, and right back to mom, right back to grandma, right back to granddad, aunts, uncles, people who you know actually love you. And
Absolutely.
that's the hard part that we're dealing with. And I'm glad you brought that up, because today's time is just so much faster and so much more noise that our children, they have to be in a safe space to talk to those that truly love them.
Absolutely. And I love that you do a family meeting every month. I think that's something that more families should incorporate.